Hey guys, so this is chicken feet. My husband saw a picture of chicken feet fried, so he wanted to try it. I don't know. This is my first time eating it fried. Yeah, so I'll place a picture of what he saw. And what he did is just not the same. Yeah, so I fried these chicken feet for the first time. I haven't tried any as yet. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever eaten fried chicken feet. Me, I haven't, but I can't wait to try them. So I'm gonna plate it up. Cause I just do a little mac and cheese and these fried chicken feet and some planning. So I'm gonna plate it and I'll be back. So guys, I'm plated up my mac and cheese, my plantain, and my chicken foot, fried chicken foot. And a little of what's her name? Okay, let me pause it so you get your thing to show you what I. This thing right here, yeah, chili garlic sauce. It's a little, I would say, limey or so. Yeah, but it's alright. So guys, you hear my kettle hollering. I'm gonna make some tea. But for now, I'm gonna go in my bedroom because my son is watching a movie out here. I'm in the kitchen still, and let me try these chicken foot. Okay. Okay. So guys, just a normal mac and cheese. Nothing fancy I did with it. As you can see, nothing fancy. Planting. Let me try you. Let me try the chicken. Okay, let me try the chicken foot. I give y'all guys the first bite if you're interested in it. And then dipping in this sauce. Mmm, not bad. Mmm. I would say they didn't do a bad job. Actually tastes really good. Mmm. Not, not a bad job at all. So guys, mmm. For my first time, I would say I did a good job. Mmm. Let me know in the comment section you would like me to do a video how I did my fried chicken foot. If you want me to do one. If not, it's okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. As I always say, a man's rejection is God's protection. Always remember to thank God every day. Yes. Thank him every day for life. Have a blessed day. Bye guys.
I'm prayer for the dead.